Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got a beautiful bag to show you today. So this is the Prada Panier, and it's just a gorgeous shape. It's so kind of elegant and sleek, I love it. So the features of this one, we've got one top handle, and then we've got, you can see on either side of that top handle there's the little loops to add a removable strap, which I'll show you in a minute. And then attached to that top handle we also have that little removable Prada cloche there. And then inside we've got two compartments. So we've got a little magnetic fasten on top, so that just flips like that, and then you just pull it apart and it opens up nice and easily. So we've got two compartments, and then in the middle we've got one little flat pocket, central flat pocket there as well, and it's a gorgeous leather all around. So the exterior is leather, and then the interior is this beautiful smooth red leather as well. So it's gorgeous. The condition of this one is almost perfect. The exterior is, we've called excellent. There is not a mark or a scratch for me to show you. That leather is beautiful. The hardware is very, very good, almost excellent. So on the hardware there is just some really, really tiny scratching, and it is basically impossible to see. It is so small. There is really, really tiny scratching on the hardware, so that's why I've called it very, very good, just for those base studs. And then the interior, again, it's in a beautiful condition. There is just a slightly more noticeable marks on that leather on the interior, just a couple here and there. You can see just there, there's a little mark there on the interior, and then there's just kind of a couple scratches, but really kind of barely noticeable, and only in certain lights can you see them on that base. So that is why we called the interior very good. I'll show you what this Prada comes with. So we've got that removable strap, so that's in this little Prada dust bag, and then the removable strap is just there. And then we've also got a little Prada envelope, and in there we've got the Prada authenticity card, and then we also have the Prada dust bag for the bag as well. So if you wanted any exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you directly to this Prada on our website. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we do have a request list that you can get onto, so let us know that you love this, or if it's anything else that you have in mind, any other bags, let us know. We'll pop you on our request list, and then as soon as we get in something that you like, we'll let you know, send you through an email, and then hopefully we'll pop the link to shop in there, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly next time so you don't miss out. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements for this bag will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So if you wanted to just have it by that top handle, you've got the option to do that without the longer strap, or if you wanted to pop on this strap, it just clips on either side onto those little loops here by the top handle. So clips on nice and easy like that, and then on the other side just the same thing, clips on nice and easily, and you can see it is also adjustable. So you've got it on the longest setting at the minute, but you've got the option to make that strap a little bit shorter, and then you have the option to pop it on your shoulder. Wow, I quite like it across the body as well. So very, very elegant and smart looking bag. Yeah, I do really like it. And the shape, again, as I said before, that just looks very sleek, with the colour combination of that black, that kind of deep black with the gold hardware, and then the red on the inside as well. It is a very sophisticated looking bag. If you wanted more details on it, again, you can go to the link in the description below. There's a link to shop, so it should hopefully take you directly to this bag on our website. If this isn't your thing, we've got loads of other beautiful pieces of arm candy for you to have a look at on there. So have a browse through. Also sign up to our newsletter to keep yourself updated on what we're getting in. We're getting new stuff all the time, so sign up to that newsletter and we will also send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that discount. If you're a bag lover like we are, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags that we have to show you. And also if you have any pieces of arm candy that you would like to sell with us, we would love to see what you've got. So have a look on the How to Sell With Us page on our website, and the whole process for selling with us is on there, all the details you need to know. So have a read through there, and we'll see you later with some more arm candy.